How to fix login error on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll basically show you how you can fix the login error on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, there are three main reasons why the login error happens. The first is due to the account issue or the server issue. The other is due to the applications issue, or the third is due to your credentials issue. To get started with the account issue, sometimes the service could be down, so there's really nothing you can do about it. But the other times TikTok could have banned your account, right? So to fix that, I'll just recommend you to change your IP address. And to change the IP address, you can simply switch your network, connect to a VPN, or just switch to mobile data. Once you've done that and you change the IP address, it's going to remove the limitation, and then you should be able to log into your account. But in case that doesn't help, we're going to move on to the application issue, because sometimes the TikTok application could have required an update. So just make sure, in case that it is not updated, make sure to update it to the latest version. Or else what you could do is just go ahead and long press on the TikTok app icon, tap the I button here, scroll down, go to storage, clear cache, and if possible also try to clear the data, then tap on delete. Now this should also most likely solve the problem. Last but not the least, it could be the credentials issue. So if you're not being able to log in, it could be that you are not logged into your account, right? So just go ahead and then tap on the start watching button. Then basically just tap the profile icon, tap on sign up, log in, and then make sure your phone number is correct, make sure your login details are correct, and then you should be able to successfully log into your TikTok account respectively. This is simply how you can fix the login error of TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.